KoogluPooglu.
Hey guys! Today we're going to learn about the digraph SH, or it's spelled with SH. S and H are consonants. Man, why can't there be a digraph with a vowel? Let's go! And don't forget to watch my previous digraph video. The link is in the description below. Now we're going to start with words that begin with sh. Sh and e. Oh, this is a pronoun. She. My mom is a she. 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 What word's this? Sh. Ut. Shut plus ut. Shoot? Oh, it's shut. Shut the door, ya ma. That's funny, right? Shut the door. Sh and in. Oh, this is a body part where I get hurt a lot. Shin. One time, my entire shin was bleeding. It hurt. Well, that's okay. Now it's not happening. Shin. Sh plus ip. Slip. Oh, it's ship. There's a ship like, oh, I'm shipping my package. Or the ship. Sh and un. I know this is the name of a character. Shun means that you deliberately avoid someone. Like, say for example, I shunned my friend because he was bullying me. Sh and ought. What does it make? Think. Oh, it is shot. Like I hit a very nice shot with my cricket bat. Shot. Here we have sh plus o. Oh, I love watching these on TV. Show. Do you guys watch your favorite show till late night? Show. Sh and o. What? Oh, it's shoe. I thought it was shoe again. Shoe. Sh plus op. I love going to these places. Shop. Do you guys know a Nike? Shop. Sh and ed. Ooh, I put my garden tools in here. A shed. Or this is where I sometimes stay. I like staying in the shed. It's fun. Sh plus all. Shall. So shall means that I shall take my leave. Shall. Sh and ave. Oh, my dad does this all the time. Shave. You don't want to have a spiky beard, do you? Spiky black beard. Shave. Sh and ein. Oh, I love doing this to my shoes. I like to make them shine. Do you like shiny stuff? Shine. Sh and or. Oh, this is where I put my boat. I put it on the shore. Shore means it's basically land near a body of water. Shore. Shore. Sh plus elf. For a second I thought it was elf, but it's shelf. Elf on the shelf. 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 Sh and oot. Oh. This is what people do with Nerf guns. They shoot people with Nerf guns. Shoot. Sh plus air. Oh, this is a golden rule. Sharing is caring. Also, don't forget to share my video. Share. Share. Sh and eat. Oh, this is where I always draw on. I draw on a sheet of paper or like a bed sheet. Sheet. Sh and ape. This was my first video. It was on shapes. I hope you guys remember it. That's how I started my channel. Shape. Sh plus aim. I always have this when I do something bad. I feel shame. Shame. This means like when you do something bad, you feel bad about it. Sh and ache. Oh, I always do this with my drinks so they get bubbly. I shake it. Don't shake your Coke. It'll explode. Shake. Shake. Now we're on to SH ending words. Words that end with SH. Here we have a and sh. What does this make? This makes ash. Oh, this ash is basically when lava turns into rock. Fi and sh. Did I say fish instead of fish? How can anyone say fish? All right, I did. Fish. Fish. D and sh. This makes dish. It's not fun cleaning the dishes. It's not fun. Dish. What with and sh. Oh, I love making this when a star comes. A wish. I always like wishing from a wishing star. Trust me, it's fun. Wish. Da. Sh. What? What is da? Sh. This is so confusing. Oh, it's dash. I'm Speedy, I'm the Flash, I'm dashing through the crash. Dash. Ra and sh. Oh, this is when your skin gets really itchy. Ooh, I'm having one right now. Ow. A rash. Rash. It's basically when your skin gets red and it's really itchy. Rash. Ma and sh. Oh, I love doing this with my food. I mash it up. I mash up those potatoes and then put some gravy on top. It's really good. Mash. Mash. Ga and sh. Gash. Does the word make gash? Gash means a big cut on your leg or anywhere around your body. And gash in naval terms, it means trash. Here we have ka and sh. I like this. This is what I use to buy stuff. Cash. I go to the store and buy some stuff and I pay it in cash. Cash. Ba and sh. Bingo bash. Sorry, couldn't resist it. Bash. This means hitting something hard, like oof, I bashed myself against the window. Bash. Bash. Ha and sh. Oh, if you add a brown in front, it becomes my favorite food. Hash. Could you guys tell me what this word means? Because I know it. Hash. Hash. Pa and sh. I wonder what this means. Posh. Posh means something like elegant or beautiful. Posh or expensive, like that posh hotel. Ruh and sh. Oh, don't even talk about it, how I get to school. I rush. I'm running as fast as I can. I can't feel my legs. I'm running to catch the bus. I'm rushing to catch the bus. Wa and sh. Always do this after you come back from a place. Wash. Wash your hands, people. 20 seconds. Wash. Wash. Bruh and sh. Oh, this has a lot of meanings. Brush. First you got your paintbrush, you got your toothbrush, you got a bunch of brushes. Brush. Brush. Blah and sh. Oh, this is what I do when I'm scared or shy. I blush. 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 On to our next word. Sluh and sh. A slush. Slushies. And this is what snow is when it gets a little bit warmer. It turns into slush. Har and sh. Oh, I know what this means. Could you guys tell me? And 3, 2, 1. The word already came up. But could you tell the meaning? Well, 3, 2, 1. Harsh means that you're going strict on someone. Flat and sh. Oh, this is the name of a superhero. I think you all guys know. The Flash. And flash also means like flashing your flashlight at someone. That means putting it on someone. Or you're really fast, like the Flash. Flash. Cra and sh. Crash. Crash. This happens when you bump into someone. That's like a tiny crash. But if two cars hit each other, that's a big crash. Tra and sh. What does this make? Does this make trash? Trash is basically, I think we all know what trash means. I don't need to explain that. So, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.